We're just here at Hell Australian Greece.
Since you guys liked our bush mechanics feature in our adventure videos and all the problems we come across, we thought we'd start a video series of how to get out of trouble when you are in the bush.
All the little handy tricks and tips that can get you unstuck when you are. Bush mechanics.
If you're interested, stick around.
As we were exiting the Davies Plains track, my exhaust snapped in half.
We've got the header pipe snapped in half. We cut a baked bean can down the side with a Leatherman, and Leatherman always a perfect thing to carry with you at all times. They're just an ultimate multi-tool. And we wrapped the exhaust with the baked bean can, and then we put 2 hose clamps around it on top and bottom to clamp it together. Made sure the 2 ends were pushed together as tight as possible, and then just go ahead and tighten them up. And that can, well, in this case, this sheet steel, but the can will just come together tighter and tighter until it's 100% tight and sealed, like a new exhaust. Make sure that's pushed together properly at the brake. I mean, pretty simple, just a sleeve. But when you're in the bush and you are having some issues, how good are hose clamps? To be fair, old Joshy had hose clamps and I didn't have any with me, but I will be having some with me in the future. And I reckon, having to think about it, 48mm hose clamps straight in the fork leg is the way to go. So that's all it took. That lasted us 2 days in the bush doing some pretty hard riding and just going flat out. So eventually it did burn through after the second day. But the other thing we did too is, if that goes onto the header of the bike, we took a bit of fencing wire that we found and we came off the O2 sensor, which was right here, and we pulled it off the O2 sensor, which holds this whole additional piece of exhaust pipe up and holds it in there. Whether or not that helped additionally or not, hard to say. I mean, when you're in the bush, it's a bit of a trial and error thing, right? So there you go, Scotty Huggins, Bush Mechanics.